In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to get the best Amazon Prime Day deals. Amazon Prime Day is a massive event offering exclusive discounts and deals to Prime members. To ensure you snag the best bargains, follow these expert tips. 1. Browse Amazon's deals page. Visit Amazon's deals page to sort and filter discounted items. You can also preview upcoming Prime Day deals. You can filter items by ticking the Prime Day Early Access Deals box with the relevant categories. Or you can create a watch list for desired items to receive notifications. 2. Utilize price tracking tools. Install the browser plugin to monitor the price changes on Amazon. This plugin is named Keepa. It provides historical price analysis and sends price change alerts to your email. Visit the Amazon product page and scroll down to access the Keepa interface. Click on Price Tracking to set your desired price and receive alerts. Second tool is Camel, another browser extension offering historical price analysis. Install it to track Amazon deals and ensure you're getting the best price. The plugin injects a price chart into Amazon product pages for easy reference. 3. Subscribe to Reddit's deal finding subreddits. Discover communities like r/Amazon under 25 and our Amazon specials for curated deals and discounts. You can find them exclusively on Reddit. These subreddits offer a wealth of user-generated content, including hidden gems and limited-time offers. Some of the subreddits are r/Amazon Prime Day and r/Amazon Prime Deals. With these strategies, you'll be well equipped to navigate Amazon Prime Day and secure the best deals on a wide range of products. Happy shopping! Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.